Guys, today we're gonna go to this place called Rietvlei Nature Reserve. I don't know what is a rat. There's a lot of animals. There's a lot of animals here. So we're just gonna take the ticket and then show you guys.
Okay.
There is the ticket and then we go from here, but I don't know where my dad went.
पप्पा तिकडे गाडीत गेली
Uh,
अलीकडे.
I want to tell you guys, I have someone that's very special. Okay? It's Dino the Dino Man. Hey, hi. Okay, now let's see the view.
Oh, there
There is dam.
Dam है.
There is a big dam.
dam.
I think we can go
boating also.
boating.
Yes, it's boating.
Look at that, Uchu, look at that. There is so many trees and so many bushes and so many shrubs and so much water already. What is that? What is that sign? It says 30 on it. 30 kilometer
Per hour.
per hour. Okay.
We
Nice.
should not go beyond 30 km per hour.
Okay. I get it. Come on, baby. Dino. Hey.
Come. Stop.